As you can see, she stopped rocking. Now, see, it's a pretty simple mechanism here. This small wheel makes the woman spin. I think it's just a little dirty, because sometimes you kind of jump start it. There we go.
Who are you talking to?
She's back to rocking like she's supposed to.
Oh, your computer?
The other issue is that the metal wire right there sometimes slips off, but that's obviously a simple fix. One light bulb on the back lights the whole thing. Be careful about what wattage, or else you'll set yourself on fire. Seems to be working. You know, the motor seems to run all right. You said a little bit of cleanup would probably have it going a little smoother than that. But there you go. It's a home sweet home animated clock.